Hi, I'm Steve, Sales Engineer at Logitech Australia. Thanks for joining me in our unboxing series where we get to talk about solutions that go from your desktop all the way through to your meeting space. In this video, we're going to talk about the Rally Plus. So let's crack it open and have a look what's inside. Wonderful. First thing you'll be greeted with is nice, large, printed setup instructions. Very important to hold on to these, as these will be your best friend in deploying this Rally solution. First thing you want to do after you pull the instructions out is you're going to find some power cables. Let's go ahead, pull them out and put them aside for the moment. The next thing you want to take out is this box over here, which holds a number of accessories that we require. Put that aside. And then over on this side, we're going to lift up this bit of cardboard and reveal a Rally camera. What we can do is we can pull this whole box out here. And there is the Rally camera inside. Let's put that aside for a moment too. Now that we've got those out, let's focus on this big box right here. Carefully lift this box out. It is quite heavy. Put this aside. Revealing underneath our two Rally speakers. Let's start with the big box first. Very carefully open the lid. And this is where we'll find our display hub, our table hub, and two included Rally mic pods. In this box also, you will find a power supply for both these hubs in each of these boxes here. And lastly, we have this little box, which I'll need to cut open. And in this box, you're going to find all the necessary cabling and remote control to set up your Rally system. When you've unpacked everything from your Rally Plus box, this is what you're going to find. You're going to find a USB 3 A to B cable, a USB C to C cable, two HDMI cables, a Cat 5 network cable, Overleaf style 240 volt power cables, a remote control, two Rally mic pods, a table hub, a display hub, a power supply for both display hub and the table hub, the Rally camera, and lastly, two Rally speakers. Thanks for joining me with this video, where we're going to talk about how exactly the Rally Plus system is connected together and how it can be used in your meeting space. Start by talking about each component and how it connects into the system. Here we have the table hub, and the table hub is traditionally located, well, you guessed it, at the table. And with the table hub, we're able to connect directly to our conference PC, or if it's a laptop for a BYOD solution. We have two HDMI pass-throughs, which will pass through to the display hub. We have a connection directly to the display hub via Cat 5. And we have our microphone connection here. And lastly is our power connection. Here we have the display hub. The display hub is typically mounted behind the display or close by to where the displays are. On the display hub, you're going to find a connection for your camera, your USB 3 Type B connection, which will go to your PC or your room PC. You have the two HDMI ports, which are passed through from the table hub, a RJ45 connection to the table hub, a power connector, and two mini XLR connections for the Rally speakers. For the purposes of this video, we're just going to be setting up the Rally Plus system on this bench. However, in real life, this stuff will be installed and your integrator or your reseller will be responsible for installing this into your room. The table hub and the display hub need to be connected together with the Category 5 cable that's supplied in the box. You don't have to use the one supplied in the box, but it is there for your convenience. These cables connect into the table hub via the RJ45 connection there, and the other end needs to connect to the display hub with that RJ45 connection there. The next component to the whole solution, it's your microphones. So these are our beamforming Rally mic pods, and these are going to connect directly to your table hub. In fact, they connect via this proprietary cable into this port right here. In order to hear the other end of the call, it's really important that the speakers get plugged in. The speakers are connected to the display hub using this mini XLR connection. This cable connects to the display hub at this port here. In fact, I'll do the second one too. Now we need to connect the Rally camera via the USB-C connection here to the display hub with this USB-C to C cable. Depending on where you've installed your conference room PC, you can plug in this USB 3B connection either at the table hub located here or at the display hub located here. For this demonstration, I'm going to connect it to the display hub. The other end of that USB 3 A to B cable connects to your conference room computer. If using more than one Rally mic pod, and remember we can use up to 7 in the Rally Plus solution, your next Rally mic pod with this cable here will daisy chain right into the other side of your Rally mic, right here. The supplied Rally mic pod cable is 2.95 meters long. However, if that's not long enough, we do have 10-meter extension cables and also Rally mic pod hubs available for your customized configuration. Lastly, we need to connect the power to our hubs using this DC jack here. This is the table hub power supply, which plugs in right here. And there is also a power supply for the display hub here. Please remember that these power jacks are different sizes and you cannot get them confused. Don't forget to plug in the 3-pin clover plug to your 240 volt outlet. Don't forget to connect your Tap to conference room PC so you can control your meeting. For more information on connecting your Tap, please see the Tap video. Lastly, don't forget your Rally remote control, which will allow you to adjust your volume, camera control, zoom, mute, hang up and pick up, your Bluetooth pairing, and also set some presets for your cameras. Pull the battery tabs out and enjoy your new solution. Thank you for joining me while we've gone through an unboxing and also a setup of our solutions that cover everything from your desktop all the way to your meeting space. If you want more information on the products we've talked about in this video or any other videos, please see the links in the description below. Head over to www.logitech.com and check out some more of our great products. My name's Steve. Thank you very much for joining me. Until next time.